How you doing, guys? Welcome. So now, if you are new, please before you go, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now let's see a analysis on our Euro USD for the week. As we can see, our price has actually fallen. By the way, our price fell down below. So our price actually had this rejection here and it fell down. So what do you think will happen for the week? I probably be seeing a bullish move upward to probably hit this our key area here where our price fell from. That is where I probably would be seeing my euro go. So I would want to be seeing my USD to fall for the week and my euro to go bullish for the week. One reason is that when our euro fell, right, it came to hit this our liquidity area here, and boom, we had this bullish move upward. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. We can see our price. There's a key level here, right, where our price has reacted to. So possibly we would want to see our price push up to the key level here. We can even see the price reacted here. So I will advise, let's take our buy position straight here, opt out of our key level here, possibly see a retracement and a bullish move on our euro to our USD. I will possibly be seeing our price push up to this our area here. And if not, if our price does not push up to hit this our resistance key area here, possibly we'll be seeing our price ranging around this our area here, where we take here as our support and we also take it as our resistance. Possibly our price will be ranging within this area. If our price is not to range within this area, then we should have a breakout and a bullish move. I believe we would have a breakout upward, a bullish move to it is our area here. Now let's see it on our index, by the way. So our index is related to our USD itself. We can see that our USD push up, it went bullish, right? That's why we add this fall on our euro. On that is, let's go on our daily time frame. You see, we add this fall on our euro because our USD index went bullish. Now that our USD index is possibly take out this highs, we have to see a drop, right? It is exactly what we are seeing here. But see on our 4-hour time frame, there is a key level here. Possibly our price comes to test this area here, push up, test this area, and again fall to test this key area here. So when we see this, our price probably be closing for the week bearish on our USD index, then our price on our euro to our USD should be closing bullish. That is exactly what I am seeing, or what our price will likely play out. But let's see how it will play out, then we would actually take the trade. So that is my analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Thank you.